We begin this evening with news that the government is seeking help from the international police organization INTERPOL to tackle a phone scam that's emerged island-wide over the weekend.
Mobile phone operators are also moving to tackle the wangiri scam, a Japanese word meaning call and cut. People see missed calls on their phones, and when they call back the numbers, it eats off their phone credit and the con artist benefits.
Mobile operators are also moving quickly to tackle the scam and blocking certain numbers. TVJ's Giovanni Dennis has this primetime news follow-up.
Advisories and warnings from both local mobile service providers and the Technology Ministry after scores of persons took to social media over the weekend into Monday, sharing their experiences after being targeted in what's being described as a reverse call scam. Many captured screenshots showing calls from numbers with an area code from the European country Poland. Technology Minister Dr. Andrew Wheatley says the government is in dialogue with both mobile service providers and has sought the help of the International Criminal Police Organization to try and track down the scammers.
The Cyber Incident Response Team, along with our local partners, MOCA, etc., we have been in contact with our international partners, Interpol, to devise a concerted approach to tackle this problem. The best advice we can give now is that persons need to be careful, be on the lookout.
Dr. Wheatley revealed that he too was targeted by the scammers, but said he was alert. But how exactly will these scammers be tracked down and prosecuted?
It's very difficult because it's a system that they have in place that more or less it is very sophisticated, and it's about tracking them, and it keeps jumping from one location to another. So it's a system that is best approach by being proactive and prevent or minimize the level of exposure.
He insists Jamaica is protected and says the government is partnering with other entities to raise awareness about various ongoing scams.
We have over the last 8 months raised the level of public awareness in terms of our campaign. We partnered recently with the Jamaica Bankers Association as part of our Stop, Think, Click, Stop, Think Before You Click campaign. Again, it's about again being very vigilant and ensure that we put in place necessary safeguards. Do not give out your personal information, whether online or across the phone, if you're not sure of who you're speaking with.
After several complaints from users, Digicel released an advisory urging persons not to answer the calls. Digicel also said it's blocking calls coming from numbers identified in the scam. Meanwhile, Flow also released a statement saying it's activated a fraud team and will also be blocking numbers involved in the scam. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.